Welcome back to my channel. People, no come here. Me have little news coming on. Me for hear what me hear. Yeah, Miss Lothian. She have granny, you know. Her granny still alive. Yeah, she have got a granny. Yeah, she have got a granny. She have got a granny house. On the red carpet. I saw me get it, yeah. She a go the granny house a red carpet and them a go burn coal. Yeah, them a go burn coal. I think them have some party, some barbecue. They burn coal and, big cooking or cookout a go on. Yeah. I saw me get here and I saw me a tell you, me hear over so. Yeah, the lady down so with the big platform and the big yard. Yeah, down a big yard we hear it. Yeah, I know prison me here, because people call prison big yard too. But I don't have big platform down at, the big yard with the house go up in the sky. And the people they don't like it. Yeah. And then so me hear it, yes. And she called Miss Lothian confirm it too. Yeah. So me just come to tell you that in case you never hear. Yeah. So me don't know whether it will happen this week or what. But she a go down go see her granny. Me jealous too. Cause me don't have mother nor granny. Me don't know what this granny is. When me was in my 40s, me don't have my granny. So yeah, so it's a good look. She'll go with her granny. Oh God, people, you have to turn in a good joke. Yeah, so Miss Lothian has got I go rub shoulders with the celebrities. Yes, the reggae artist Mr. Burning Spear. Yeah, Mr. Burning Spear. Yeah, she's going on the red carpet with Mr. Burning Spear. Yeah, me see that Mr. Burning Spear before in our shop. Yes, last year. Yeah, Burning Spear. I think he go there often. Yeah. So it's a good look. Yeah, it's a good look. But people. Somebody no like it. Because every time the lady show, I want to notice every time the lady show anything in the house, such lady, yeah, now call no name, such lady, yeah, such lady, the person that them say, the person in the motel or the hotel or wherever, she get very angry, yeah. She get very angry, very jealous and very angry. She don't like to see, although she call it the gully bank. She don't like to see the gully bank, Yeah, over there so she live. Yeah, she don't like to see it. When every time woman put it up, yes. She have all kind of something. One piece of cussing she put down. Yeah. I don't understand it. Yeah, them don't make sense. I don't know if once money could I don't know, it's obsession to another degree. Yeah, obsession. She is obsessed. Yeah, she obsessed. Rejection and obsession. She was rejected and she obsessed with down there. Me and she asked about the kitchen. Something about the lady kitchen. She comparing it to the such lady, the other lady, kitchen. But such lady kitchen, we not see if in a fair kitchen good. She not really sure if fair kitchen, so I don't know what she talking about. It don't make sense. Them don't make sense. All of them don't make sense. Gosh, them don't make sense at all. I don't know if you want to see something. There was something on social, me see something on social media where they were showing some bank down Jamaica or people are renting people account to do some form of scamming. Yeah. And then such lady over the camp, yeah, she put say, me see one question. Me not listen to it. Me just have walk past and me see one question. Is Cash App and Zelle the same way? The same way as rent out your bank account? How can Cash App be the same way as rent out your bank account? It don't make sense. These people don't make no sense at all. Really? It don't make sense what this individual trying to say. Yeah, because it say rental account a whole heap of money them putting into it. And the two banks now in Jamaica, them two banks always seems to be the two banks that always seem to be in some kind of money issues. People bank account, that people that take out money out of people bank account and all kind of things. I don't get it anyway. But there's all seems to be some issues around that particular bank. So it's crazy. And so that's her question over the fence. But because nobody now look upon them now, because them don't make no sense. Because me hear one woman, when me go down on the tones and the ends over the cartoon, past the cartoon here recently, and me I listen and she play some voice note of one woman named Rodney or Sadney or whatever her name. One woman from over the camp, but it look like say she go other places too. And she had there's a cartoon dropped some voice note about this woman. And she was saying in the voice note that such lady she what she said no. She said something that me thinking to myself, well, if people have said, I go over there because she said God called her and God called her to do whatever, to do some work, and that is the reason why I go onto her platform and I listen to her. I'm thinking, woman, you have any sense? You really have any sense? You really think say God called her? Lord have mercy. Some of these people, me thinking, them write it or what? My mother said, they have any sense? They write it? No, sir. Yeah. But, let me want to ask this person, wonder if we could say rent a channel. Because I feel say the channel there. The bongo or the songo channel there. That's a rented channel. Yeah, because everything deleted after it. They use it and then delete it. That could be a rented channel, they look like. And it linked to these two people. Look like it linked to the camp and over that cake shop there. Because only certain people them are born out all the time. And it sound like somebody, a such lady talk, certain people talk. Maybe it might even sound like say more the cake shop. I don't know about something that could be a rental channel too. Yeah. I'm being devil's advocate here, so no. It could be a rental channel. Yeah. Yeah. It's a bit, that channel is a bit strange. Yeah, them only want to hear certain things. Yeah. One side and another. Work with the camp and I work with the pop-up shop. And that may have to say. Anyway, and that me just come to say MC a mad out, lady down a yard a mad them out, mad them a mad out, and yeah, and I mean just want to tell you say, Miss Lothian I got there on the red carpet, so people I need to know when. Yeah, because I'm not sure when. It's not like this weekend, but we're not 100% sure, so please let me know when it when it's gonna be taking place. We want to know over here, because we like to know what is going on. Yeah. So yeah, this is just crazy on the YouTube street at the moment. Yeah, and these people know Them is him a embarrassment and them not give up because them don't make no sense. And them still a talk nonsense and then can see say people don't believe no what them a say, but them not give up. Yeah. Them not give up. Yeah. Anyway, we don't talk and I'm out.